Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Switching from Visual Studio Code, VSCode, to Neovim can be a refreshing experience, especially if you appreciate the efficiency of modal editing and the power of customization. Here's a comprehensive tutorial to help you get started with Neovim, complete with examples. 1. Installation. On Linux/Mac OS, you can install Neovim using your package manager. Bash. For Ubuntu, sudo apt install Neovim. For Mac OS, using Homebrew, brew install Neovim. On Windows, you can download the latest release from the Neovim releases page, https://github.com/neovim/releases, or use a package manager like Scoop or Choco. PowerShell. Scoop install Neovim. Or Choco install Neovim. 2. Basic configuration. Neovim uses init.vim or init.lua for its configuration. The configuration file is typically located at Linux/Mac OS /config/nvim/init.vim or /config/nvim/init.lua. Windows, C /users/yourusername /appdata/local/nvim/init.vim or C /users/yourusername /appdata/local/nvim/init.lua. Here's a simple init.vim configuration to get you started. Vim. Basic settings. Set no compatible, disable compatibility with old Vim. Set encoding equals UTF-8, use UTF-8 encoding. Set number, show line numbers. Set relative number, relative line numbers. Set mouse equals a, enable mouse support. Set tab stop equals 4 number of spaces in a tab. Set shift width equals 4 number of spaces to use for each step of auto indent. Set expand tab, use spaces instead of tabs. Set smart indent, enable smart indentation. Enable syntax highlighting. Syntax on. Set color scheme. Color scheme desert. 3. Plugin management. To enhance Neovim's functionality, you can use a plugin manager. One popular option is vim-plug. Here's how to set it up. 1. Install vim-plug by running the following command in your terminal. Bash. curl flow/.local/share/nvim/site/auto-load/plug.vim create ders / https://raw.github/vim-plug/master/plug.vim. 2. Add the following lines to your init.vim to configure plugins. Vim. Call plug begin /local/share/nvim/plugged. Add plugins here. Plug tpope/vim sensible, a set of sensible defaults. Plug nvim treesitter/nvim treesitter, do, ts update better syntax highlighting. Call plugin. 3. Open Neovim and run plug install to install the plugins. 4. Basic navigation. Neovim operates in different modes, primarily normal mode, insert mode, and visual mode. Here are some basic navigation commands. Normal mode, press ESC to enter normal mode. Insert mode, press I to enter insert mode, to insert text. Navigation. H, move left. J, move down. K, move up. L, move right. GG, go to the top of the file. G, go to the end of the file. 5. Editing and saving files. To edit a file, simply run Neovim with the file name bash nvim-file.txt. To save and exit, use the command in normal mode. Vim. WQ. To save without exiting. Vim. W. To exit without saving. Vim. Q. 6 Example, writing code. Here's a simple example of writing a Python script in Neovim. 1. Create a new Python file. Bash. nvim hello.py. 2. In insert mode, type the following code. Python. Def greet, name. Print, f hello, name. Greet, world. 3. Save and exit using WQ. 4. Run the script from the terminal. Bash. Python hello.py. 7. Additional features. LSP support. You can add language server protocol support to Neovim for auto-completion, linting, and more. Use nvim-lsp config plugin for this. File navigation. You can use plugins like fzf.vim or telescope.nvim for fuzzy file searching. Debugging. You can integrate debugging tools with Neovim using plugins like vimspector. 8. Resources for further learning. Documentation. The official Neovim documentation, https://neovim.io, is a great resource. YouTube tutorials. There are many tutorials available that cover specific use cases and plugins. Community. Join forums and communities such as Reddit's r/Neovim or the Neovim GitHub channel to connect with other users. Conclusion. Switching to Neovim from VSCode may involve a learning curve, but the benefits of speed and customization are worth it. Start with basic configurations and gradually explore plugins and additional features that suit your workflow. Happy coding with Neovim!